Hey guys, how are you? In this video, I will talk about the leaks regarding the Samsung Galaxy S10, and I will round up all the leaks and I will talk about what I know so far about the Samsung Galaxy S10.
Without any further ado,
Let's move towards the video. So first up we have the release date and the price of the Samsung Galaxy S10. Samsung's revolutionary smartphone will probably launch in early 2019. Some leaks suggest that it will launch in CES and some suggest that it will launch in MWC 2019. CES stands for Consumer Electronics Show and MWC stands for Mobile World Conference. The leaks pointing towards MWC are more concrete because not only more leakers claim that we'll see the Samsung S10 at MWC 2019, but because of the fact that Samsung Galaxy S9 range was announced by Samsung in MWC 2018, so MWC 2019 is the most probable release date of the Samsung Galaxy S10. Now about the price of the Samsung Galaxy S10. At this point, we're not certain about the price, but one price rumor puts the budget model at $650 to $750. Now let's talk about the design and display. As we know that there will be three variants, the S10 Lite, the S10 and the S10 Plus. And I think that the Infinity O display that I have talked about in my recent video will be a feature of the S10 Lite. The S10 series is codenamed as Beyond, and the S10 Lite, aka the Beyond Zero, is said to have a 5.8-inch screen which might be flat. And then we have the S10 and S10 Plus, aka Infinity 1 and Infinity 2. The Infinity 1, aka Samsung S10, will have a 5.8-inch curved display, whereas the Infinity 2, aka the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, will have a 6.2-inch curved OLED panel. The base model Samsung Galaxy S10, the S10 Lite, is said to have a fingerprint mounted on the side, whereas the S10 and the S10 Plus are said to have an in-screen fingerprint scanner by Qualcomm, their ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint scanner. I have talked about the ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint scanner and some other technologies that will get featured in the S10 series, so you might want to check that video. The link will be down in the description if you want to know more about it. And a new leak suggests that the S10 series will feature an improved 3D face scanner like the one in the iPhone X and the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. And according to some leaks, Samsung will ditch the iris scanner from the Samsung S10 series as well as the 3.5mm headphone jack. But one of the recent leaks regarding the in-screen fingerprint scanner suggests that the base model will feature an optical scanner just like in the OnePlus 6T instead of the ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint scanner. Now let's talk about the cameras of the S10 series. So according to a leak from prominent leaker Ice Universe, the S10 will feature a horizontal camera setup just like we have seen in the Note 9 and Note 8, but this time there will be three cameras. According to EV leaks, one will be a wide angle lens, the second will be a telephoto lens, and the third will be a normal lens. And according to a leak, on the front of the S10 series, most probably the S10 and the S10 Plus, there will be two cameras. Now let's talk about the hardware of the S10 series. First up we have the Exynos 9220, which we know Samsung has announced the Exynos 9220, which is likely to power the phone. This is an octa-core chipset built on an 8nm process that makes it smaller than the 10nm Exynos 9810 found in the Galaxy S9. And with that size reduction comes a 10% reduction in power consumption. The Exynos 9820 offers up to 20% better single-core performance, up to 40% better power efficiency, and up to 15% better multi-core performance than the Exynos 9810. Gamers meanwhile should see an even bigger benefit with the GPU offering up to 40% better performance or up to 35% more power efficiency. The Exynos 9820 also has an integrated NPU, neural processing unit, which allows AI-related tasks to happen up to 7 times faster than on the 9810. It also supports video recording at up to 8K. You heard me right, 8K at 30 fps. Displays of up to 3840 by 2400 or 1496 by 2160, single lens cameras of up to 22 megapixel or dual lens ones of up to 16 megapixel. As for the mobile data download speeds, those can apparently reach up to 2 Gbps and the upload speed of up to 316 Mbps. The base model S10 is expected to feature Snapdragon 845 or Exynos 8150 chipset and a choice of 4GB or 6GB of RAM and 64GB or 128GB of storage. As for the interface, we know that Samsung will use One UI overlay over the Android in the Samsung Galaxy S10. Okay guys, that is all for today. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you can get notified about my future videos. I'll see you in my next video. Let's call it a day.